Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to reset or change keyboard settings to default on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reset keyboard settings to default on your Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to do this. In this, you have to just click on the search menu, then type here edit keyboard. You can share text input. Here you need to type edit language and keyboard. You can share edit language and keyboard. Click on this. Then click on add language. Select the language which you want to add. Then click on next. Then click on install. Now this language will be installed. After completion of this installation, what you have to do, you have to just click on this three dot, then click on move up. You have to move this language towards upside to set as a default. After moving up, just restart your PC. After restarting, again you have to move your default language towards upside. That's it guys. So in this way you can reset keyboard settings to default on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.